And many of you with a pool will recognize this scene. That's a happy little pool cleaner shuttling around the bottom of the pool, up the sides, sucking up the dirt and debris that falls on the pool and settles to the bottom. They do a great job. They have exactly one moving part, so I got to tell you, occasionally you do have to replace that, and let me show you what it is and what I got to do it. And what I've got here is a pair of very aftermarket diaphragms. Now these things are designed to pretty tight tolerances. The water flow through here causes this venturi here to contract and to seal, which causes the kind of unique jumping, jerking action that you see there that propels the thing around and keeps it moving. So the question is, will this one work like the original? Okay, if you've never replaced one of these before, I'm going to walk you through the process. First trick is to get the cleaner out of the pool. You don't even have to disconnect the hose, and then you unscrew the obvious yellow lock ring. Okay, and that will allow you to pull out the entire workings of the thing. Unscrew this, and you've got this device, and push the white tube forward, and you've now released the diaphragm. Now, if you notice, let's take a look and compare the old to the new. They look pretty similar. Dimensionally, gotta say, that's pretty much spot on. Now, this one feels a little flimsier, and I do believe this is an aftermarket one that I've got on there. But it's been working well, and I'll save it. I'm not going to throw that away. But we're going to throw this one on and see how it works. You just squeeze it down, force it over the obvious little depression in here. This looks for all the world like a zip tie without a head on it. Holds the tension on that little groove so it doesn't go anywhere. And then you just slide it back through the housing here, push it down so it seats. All right, back in here, screw it down, bring the body over, slide it in, screw it down. It's pretty long threads, it takes a few turns. So the other thing you'll notice is that after a few years, the bodies on these things start putting off this little fine layer of oxidation or whatever on the surface. Okay, it's ready to go. So get back to work, robot. Let's go flip on the pump and see how it works. Okay, the cleaner's running like a champ, doing the same herky-jerky little dance around the pool. Seems to be generating pretty much the same amount of suction. You can see there's still a little bit of air left in the system from having pulled the hose out and disconnected it. But yeah, the new diaphragm works, does what the old one did. And the true test of just how well the device is working is how well they climb the walls. If it just goes right up the wall like it's doing, okay. Pretty good. That's nothing wrong with that. That's doing a good job hanging on the wall. So, yep, got to give it 2 thumbs up.